an advantage of Desmos is something called the slider. So when we put in a third variable other than x or y, it'll ask if we want to create the slider. So if I put in number 9, x squared minus 3x plus n. So here's where you see it says add slider. I'm going to go ahead and hit that. And we want to know what value of n does the quadratic equation have solutions of 9 and negative 6. And the answer choices are what n could possibly be. So if I plug in negative 54, I could see that the solutions, or the x-intercepts, are negative 6 and positive 9. So negative 54 is the correct answer. If I did negative 3, or 15, you could see that those are not, x and negative 6 are not solutions.